Welcome to Design Cookie episode 10. Today we are going to discuss on soft furnishing. So friends, I am Ketan Shet from Goldmine Project Consultant. I am MD and Chief Designer of this company. Okay friends, so to start with Design Cookie about soft furnishing. So actually what is soft furnishing? What do we understand by soft furnishing? So soft furnishing is a component of our house that beautifies the interior and provides a very pleasant atmosphere in the house. So anything that is made of soft material like mattresses, curtain, pillows, pillow covers, sofa and sofa covers, bed sheets, which is very important, and many more things to talk about. So that is what is about soft furnishing and soft material. All this together creates a great ambience, and that makes the living more comfortable and beautiful, and it makes life easy for everyone. This term originated with the increasing use of soft materials, basically soft furnishings. Mostly we use it in the living room and bedrooms. So this is the area where we are using it, and this enhances the room and it creates a great ambience and gives a lot of comforts to the life. One thing very important which I would like to say, when we select the clothes, when we decide about the clothes, see how particular we are about the fineness of the fabric. Same thing applies when we select furnishing for our home. This is something very important and we should not overlook at all. So here my question comes, what type of soft furnishing? So let me take you through some images. Here we can get directly a lot of furniture we can get directly from the showroom off the shelf, or otherwise we can get it customized like bespoke. Let me take you through some images. Like if I have to talk about, first thing is curtain. I have covered this quite extensively in my previous episode, and we spoke in length about curtain and the beauty of the curtain, how it enhances the house and everything. So here also I want to say on a very short notes that these curtains can enhance very well. Some images are there which I am showing you here. The kind of curtain, the variety of curtain and the style of the curtain. The most important, the fabric, the quality, the softness, the finishing, the sheen, the kind of work which is done on the curtain. These are the things which are very important. Then tapestry. Second thing goes tapestry. So here fabric we can get it with design, or either we can get ready-made fabric which has got already design in it, or it can have a nice texture on it. Third thing is mattress. Okay, now mattress is so important. Like maximum time after the entire day which gets over, our busy day which gets over, the mattress is the most important thing, and I have seen many times people do compromise on mattress. We sleep on the mattress at least 6 to 8 hours, and that helps to relax our body, and we can start working again. It can rejuvenate and we can start working very strongly and positively next day. If we are not comfortable on the mattress, then the days doesn't go well. So mattress, I strongly recommend, don't compromise. We get in today's time memory mattress as well, so it creates even our own body shape, and the comfort has changed completely from mattress to mattress. And to the extent the husband prefers a different strength, different hardness of the mattress, wife prefers different hardness of the mattress, so we can combine that on one single mattress, and that kind of customization is very much available in today's time. The bed covers and runners are equally important. That is the that brings complete beauty. What we are talking, everything is vertical, like when we say curtain it goes vertical, but bedspread, which we spread it on the bed, can enhance the entire bedroom. We can take influence of the curtain and overall decor of the room on the bedspread, and that looks very nice. Here to just to share with you some images that will give you a very elegant look to it. Then cushion, throwaway cushion and pillows. So we use normally cushion. Cushion adds beauty to sofas, chairs, and even on the bed. If you have observed many houses, and like wherever we have designed the bedrooms, we try to have a lot of cushions on the bed, and that gives beauty. Every cushions have a different size, and we can create a good detailing on it, and that looks very elegant, and it adds beauty to the bedroom. Then wall hanging and dori. This is also part of the soft furnishing. It acts like a picture frame, and it can give a grace and beauty to the wall. Not necessary every time we need to have a picture frame. We can definitely use these doris, all wall hangings. Rugs and carpet. Again, we discussed a lot on this. Rugs can be put below the center table or dining table in the at home, and around the bed also. This gives very elegant look. It acts as a soft material. You can have some cushioning kind of rugs also. So when you get down from the bed, that softness is always there instead of just straight away walking on the hard surface. And second thing, carpet we can definitely use wall to wall. Again, depending upon the room designs. Then chair covering, again what kind of fabric we select. For the dining we can have a different kind of fabric, or we can have a rexin, or we can have a leather. It becomes easy to maintain. And for the living room and bedroom we can use some nice fabrics. Same goes with the sofa covering. When we talk about sofa covering, of course we can have all these options available. For sofas there are n number of fabrics available, like leather, velvet, suede finish, composite leather. So this fabrics has got its own beauty, it has got its own feel. Then some nice textures are available on it, some nice designs are available on it. So this we can coordinate with overall decor of the house. Bin bags, which is very common, we have been using since many years. Bin bag has its own informal comfort. So whenever we use, the best advantage of bin bags, we can take it in any room, from one room to another room. If I am watching television in the living room, I can bring that bin bags to give very informal sitting, and same I can bring it even in my bedroom as well. Doormats. These doormats are so important. Again, we discussed earlier also, doormat is the first thing we see before we enter in the house, and that restrict that doesn't allow the dust to come in along with us. All our feet we can clean it directly on the doormats. These doormats we can use it outside the bathroom and inside the bathroom as well. So this is about the soft furnishing, what kind of soft furnishing, where it used and how it has to be used. Now the question comes, what is the role of soft furnishing at home? As it is, I have explained things earlier, but still to give some understanding on it, there are great way to warm up rooms and make it more welcoming. They have ability to alter the ambience of the room. Cushion and other soft furnishings can be affordable also. Not necessarily we need to spend very heavily on it, but it can bring dramatic change in the room, and it is very quick to do it. We don't really require a major makeover in the room. Just if we have some party at home, immediately the same day you can change the look of the room. And what are the advantages of having soft furnishing at home? It's some few steps which I would like to say, like it adds beauty to ordinary looking furniture. It happens many times our furniture is old, but still to enhance we required some elements to highlight the home, and this soft furnishing plays very important role. You don't need to revamp the entire furniture, and this can happen very quickly. It gives a complete look and makeover feeling to the entire room. Again, soft furnishing enhance the room regardless of budget. You really don't have to spend heavy money on it. Over a period of time, now this is something very important, over a period of time, you can change the soft furnishing, but you can't change the furniture that easily. So this change can happen with nominal expenses. Like you can't really take rid of your wardrobe, and if you want to redo the wardrobe, if you want to redo the sofas, if you want to redo the beds, it becomes a task, and then it takes away a lot of money. But by bringing new curtains, or by bringing new cushions and rugs and all that, can change completely the outlook of the room. And the best part, you can add good colors to it, if at all. We need to give a break to the room. Suppose if today my color scheme is X and I want to bring it to Y, it doesn't take much time. Just by adding all this stuff related to soft furnishing, we can definitely change it. And in case of minimal and contemporary look, which is the trend of today's time, soft furnishing, we can definitely give a room pop-up colors, and that will again add to entire room. Friends, here I would like to give you some tips on selecting soft furnishing. Usually it takes lot of time to select unless we don't prepare our mind. What kind of combination we are looking at, what kind of fabric we are looking at, how much proportion we are looking at. All these factors we have to really consider while selecting the soft furnishing. Again, the decor of the room plays very important role. We can't just go blindly and pick up something which we really like but it doesn't match to our room. Here we need to very consciously think. My personal advice is to have somebody, a professional interior designer like us, or an architect, or somebody who can help you to guide in a best possible manner. Because being in a profession, we visualize overall thing. We don't focus only on one particular item. We focus on that item along with entire furniture and entire decor of the house. And this professional touch gives a complete different perspective to the room. We can help arranging these items which complements in the house along with the furniture. And one more suggestion, never mix up very heavy print together. Like suppose if I am using curtain which has got a heavy print on it, and the same heavy print I am taking it on the sofa or on the bed or on the rugs, it becomes too much cluttered. Of course, you all are quite intelligent enough to take a very conscious call what to buy and what not to buy in terms of design. But of course, with the help of professional like us, the concept changes completely. As I earlier said, we look not only to that particular product, we look overall scenario of the house, and we bring definitely a dramatic change to that room, and we add value to it. My dear friends, hope this has given you some good insights. As I have always said, again I am saying, all my design cookie, if you go through it in detail, it will definitely bring enormous change in the house when you are making a new house or when you are uplifting your existing house. So don't miss all those videos, and do like on my Facebook account. See you soon next Saturday, same time at 4 o'clock. Thank you so much, and have a great time ahead. Have a great weekend ahead. Thank you.